Hello guys, welcome back to STEM Trainers. Today we are going to do small angle approximations. So now when theta is close to 0 and it is measured in radians, then what happens is we can take the value of sine theta as approximately theta. We can take the value of cos theta as approximately 1 minus theta square by 2, and we can take tan theta value as approximately theta. So this is only when two conditions are there. First is theta is close to 0. Second is it should be measured in radians. Now, well, it's not in your curriculum to know for what range of values it is true, but I will just give you an idea. So this is true for, generally it is true for theta that is less than 10 degrees. Less than 10 degrees. It holds very good. And if it's less than 5 degree, then it's too good of an approximation. Okay, so less than 10 degrees. So less than 10 degrees means is this will be 10 divided by 180 degree into pi. So basically this radian angle, that is pi by 18, it works well. Okay, well, anyways, nobody's going to ask you in this curriculum, but it is good to know. Okay, now the next thing, how questions they can ask on this approximation. So let's try two questions on this. First is, given that theta is small and is in radians, okay, very good. Use small angle approximations to find the value of 1 minus cos 4 theta over 2 theta into sine of 3 theta. Okay, so basically now they have given everything that it is measured in radians, it's very small, so we can use the approximation. So 1 minus cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta will become 1 minus 4 theta whole square by 2. Just see this, whether you understand this or not. Now this is the value of cos theta. Now if it is cos 4 theta, then instead of theta we will have 4 theta. So that's why I have 4 theta whole square divided by 2 theta. That will remain as it is. Sine 3 theta. Now sine theta is approximately theta. So sine 3 theta will be approximately 3 theta. Okay. So we can cancel this one. This minus will become plus. So this will become 16 theta square over 2 into, what is this value? 2 into 3 is 6 theta square. So I can cancel this theta square, and this will be nothing but 4 over 3. So that is our answer. So the approximate value of 1 minus cos 4 theta over 2 theta into sine 3 theta when theta is small and is measured in radians is 4 over 3. That's the answer. Okay, let's try one more question on this, a little hard one. So when theta is close to 0, then prove that. So sometimes they can give you prove that questions also, and it's generally you have to simplify this little bit to get the answer. Okay, let's see. So we have to prove that 4 times cos 3 theta minus 2 plus 5 sine theta over 1 minus sine 2 theta is equals to 9 theta plus 2. Okay, so let's try from LHS, because RHS is already in simplified form. So let's simplify LHS. So 4 times cos of 3 theta, that will be 1 minus 3 theta whole square by 2 minus 2 plus 5 times sine theta, value I can take as theta. 1 minus sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta will be 2 theta. So this is what I am getting. Now let's multiply this and simplify this. So this will be nothing but 4 minus 9 theta square into 2, that is 18 theta square. So this will be 4 minus 18 theta square minus 2 plus 5 theta divided by 1 minus 2 theta. Okay, so this is minus 18 theta square plus 5 theta plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 theta. So now you can see we are getting a quadratic in numerator and a linear in denominator. So let's further try to make factors of quadratic if possible. So let's try to make factors of this. So this will be equal to, now 18 I can take as 9 and minus 2. I can take minus 9 and 2 also. I have to check. And this will be plus 1 and plus 2. So it makes sense now. Minus 18 square, it will be 9 minus 4 is 5 and 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. So these are the factors and 1 minus 2 theta. So I can cancel this factor and this factor. So what I am left with is 9 theta plus 2. Hence proved. So this is what we have to prove. That is RHS. So sometimes they can give you questions like this also. Okay. So nothing much is there in this topic. Only this very basic information is there. And thanks for watching.